Hello everyone, we will make a watch using a paper cup. Take a paper cup, cut it from the two sides to make its straps. Now cut and remove the unwanted part as shown in the video. Now draw its dial by numbering it and now fix its hours and minutes hands using a small pin and your watch is ready. Now we will make a house and a snowman. Paste cotton on the paper to make snow. Now make house pasting earbuds. Paste its roof, window and door. Make and paste a snowman as shown. Make a dry tree using cotton earbuds and it's ready. Now we will make a mushroom. Take a semicircle cut paper, roll it to make a cone. Now take a round red paper, cut it in the way as shown. Cut it from the center to fix the cone in it. Now paste small round papers as shown in the video and it's ready. Now we will make a bunny. Remove egg yolk from the egg. Draw eyes, nose and mouth. Stick its ears and color it. Place it over a mini LED bulb and it's ready. Now we will make a snowman. Cut small piece of paper and stick it as shown. Now stick two small round papers on it. Paste its hat. Draw its eyes, nose, mouth, muffler and its hands. Paste small gift boxes as shown. Make falling snow with using earbuds and it's ready. Now we will make a butterfly. Take a square printed origami paper. Now fold it as shown and open it and again fold it as we are doing in the video. Follow each steps very carefully as it is little bit complex but it will turn out very beautiful at the end. Press it at the end to make it pointed and roll it little bit and your beautiful butterfly is ready. Now we will make a rose. Take a rectangle shaped paper, fold it from between and open it and fold it again and again as we are doing. Make few more like these and tie all them together and then fold it as shown in the video. Curl them from the top. Make its leaves by folding and cutting the green shaped paper. Now make its stem by rolling the paper. Put it between the leaf and fix the rose on it. Now we will make a fish. Fold the paper from the between and draw using a pen on it as we are drawing in the video. Make lines on it. Now cut it as shown in the video. Now cut the lines which we have drawn. Draw its eyes and mouth and your fish is ready. Now we will make star flowers. Take a paper, fold it from between. Now fold it from both the sides as shown. Follow each process step by step. Now cut it from the sides. Now open it whole. Now again start folding as directed in the video. Follow the process step by step. Now turn it from all the sides. Follow each step very carefully and your star flower is ready. Thanks for watching.